Oh, so nice. Actually, quick logistical. Where is this active right now?
This is just on Playground,
Okay.
but we can start turning it on elsewhere internally, but we're not planning to turn on for customers for probably at least 2 weeks.
Okay. That's good.
I think I'm up next. I got guilted into showing a minor update to the new tab experience. I'm also being attacked by a kitten, so if he jumps in the screen, sorry. One of the asks we had before pulling this live to too many folks was bring Blobby back to the sort of first start process. So you'll notice if you can actually just click Ask AI here. He's kind of pushed back a little bit, but if I ask a question, he pulls forward a little bit. So basically, you can say Ask AI, how many documents do we have? And if I click this, it'll pull me right in and start a prompt and do its thing. I don't think it's going to behave pretty well. We also made some updates to tab styling. So we actually call out like new tabs a little differently in SQL and source, which is a CSV tab or blank tab. We also have we'll detect if it's a sheet, if it's using spreadsheets, and we'll also detect DBT tabs and highlight those right. And then Alyssa's made a ton of updates around how we do filtering around tables, which is something that'll be coming a little bit later for most folks. And we have the faceting up here, so you can jump into facets of the structure, so you can open up these and poke around. So, yeah, lots of updates there. This is actually live in Playground. I think we'll probably ship this minus tables out to everybody early next week, if not sooner.